A 2019 Mercedes G63 AMG. Did a full body PPF on it about 2 months ago. Black emblems. Had a little accident pulling it in the garage. Pull this off. Show that the PPF actually protected the paint. See absolutely no damage down there. Looks like a little adhesive. Sorry for cutting it off on the last video. Was struggling getting the PPF off. Decided to take the adhesive that was remainder on there. Took that off. You can see that there's absolutely no damage. Left the clear bra on there just so you guys could see that it was not resprayed. So we'll peel the rest of this off. And we'll install a new layer of Xpel Ultimate Plus on here. Recoat it. Since the entire car is wrapped with Xpel Ultimate Plus and ceramic coated. We also did some ceramic window tint on the front. Did a custom wrap. It's on the front of the bars. Headlights are covered. All painted surfaces. All glass is ceramic coated. A couple letters fell off on the bi-turbo, so we're gonna replace those as well for them. PPF is the way to go, guys.